This is the road from Phoenix to Las Vegas. It's 93, US 93. So beautiful road. It's actually after Kingman, going north. So from Phoenix going to Kingman, and this part is from Kingman to Las Vegas. Beautiful canyons, beautiful landscape, and we're gonna pass the Hoover Dam soon. And the Colorado River, where's the Hoover Dam? It's a place where the state line, Arizona and Nevada. So the middle of the river divided. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the river divided two states. I don't think we will be able to see the Hoover Dam from this point, but we'll see. I don't know.
In a quarter mile, continue on to I-11, US 93 North.
So it should be on the right side. Somewhere there. Yes, it's right here. If you can see
Continue
it,
on I-11 for
I'm not
22
sure.
miles.
I don't think it's. Alright, so we're in Nevada. This is the sign. Nevada. Cool. In about 40 minutes we're gonna be at Las Vegas. Yeah, nice. Here we go, casinos. Continue climbing. Huge climb up there, and behind me you can see the beautiful view. There is a lake down there, so nice. And in the front of me, beautiful skies, blue sky. Dam is one of the places to visit for sure. I was there like maybe 4 years ago, but I would love to visit it again. Super nice place. Hoover Dam, a beautiful down to the valley. interesting story about the Hoover Dam. I was there in about 3 or 4 years ago, as I said, and I was driving a Toyota Prius, green color. It's a bright green color. Once I arrived to the Hoover Dam, there's a parking lot. You can park at the Hoover Dam, and before entering parking lot, there's a check station. So the guys asking you to roll down the window. They look at the interior or whatever they're looking for, and everybody like just opened the windows, went through the security guard. They said okay, and I was stopped at the security guy. He asked me to roll down the window. I rolled down all windows, and he said, "Could you please park right here on the right side?" Okay. Park it over there, and then he asked me to leave the car and open the trunk. I opened the trunk. There was some small boxes from like AutoZone, I believe, with the parts for car. I just forget to remove those boxes. So those boxes was empty or something like that. And he like opened the trunk and he looked at the spare parts, look at the like interior inside the car. He said, "Okay, you can go." Then I left the check station, parked at the parking lot, and the guy next to me says like, "Why did they stop you?" Because everybody like just went through. They usually nobody stopped there. I said, "I don't know. They was looking for something. I don't know. I have no idea." He told me that it's probably because of your car color. I said, "I don't know, maybe yes." So if you're driving bright green color Prius, be prepared to stop and check at the Hoover Dam. Probably they will stop you because of the color of your car. Yeah. How long time ago it was? Wow. And now we're struggling with the wind. Strong wind. The car is stopping. I don't know, crazy wind. But the views are gorgeous. Views are amazing. I adjust the camera a little bit up because half of the screen it's like a hood, but I think this way is gonna be much better to see the sky, to see the surrounding mountains, and yeah, the skies are beautiful. It's 68 Fahrenheit here. It's not that hot. And yeah, sunny and nice. Because it's Nevada, you can do gambling over here. And those mountains in front of me has some snow on it. If you can see, right there. that's how we're driving. Any time you can have something unexpected. But here we go. This is the Vegas. Okay. 5 minutes, slow down. I'm not sure. You probably can see it, yes. Las Vegas.
Take exit 10.
And they have a Cybertruck here.
Continue for half a mile.
Vegas right there on the right side. And I can see them.